Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Cancer, water sign. This is February weekly reading and this is general. May or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on, Cancer. What are the messages for you? And what's going on, Cancer? Water sign. Queen of Swords, Six of Pentacles, the Tower. Seven of Wands, Eight of Wands, and Four of Swords. Five of Swords, Two of Wands, and Five of Pentacles. Under the deck, Two of Swords. So, Cancer, maybe you having options. You have to choose one, and you are very indecisive about that option, about that decision. You are at some crossroads. You are not unable to make any decision. You are confused because Two of Wands is also here. You are thinking about to make choice. Maybe you have options. Something is indecisive in your life. Maybe you have to make one choice from that. So let's see your reading. Recent past, Queen of Swords, Six of Pentacles, and the Tower. So maybe you are in separation with your person or no contact situation for some because you cut them off because there is no equal give and take. Six of Pentacles is here because you always there for your person. You always invested. You already invested a lot in this connection. Maybe your person is in and out of your life. There is no equal give and take because Six of Pentacles. Even though you cut your person off from your life, but you are undergoing some tower moment is here. It is very painful for you also, but you stand by your power. Now you investing energy yourself. Now you giving priority on yourself. It is very good. Okay, then present Seven of Wands, Eight of Wands, Four of Swords, but you want to heal from this energy because the tower moment to Four of Swords. You are not talking to anyone right now. You are undergoing some healing and meditation state. You are healing yourself. But here Seven of Wands and Eight of Wands, someone won't give up on you because Seven of Wands energy and Eight of Wands communication. There is communication coming towards you, Cancer. Lots of communication, Eight of Wands. But you are in this stage, Four of Swords energy. You are healing yourself. But someone won't give up on you. There is lots of communication is coming in your way. Then future, Five of Swords, Two of Wands, and Five of Pentacles. So you are thinking about your past person, maybe Five of Pentacles. Maybe in past they're not treating you well. There is some cold shouldering also. Maybe they treated you as an option. But now they're coming back. That's why you are thinking about to take him back or not. That type of indecisiveness. And Two of Wands and Five of Swords because they did hurt you in past, maybe backstabbing you or cheated on you, lied to you. For some it could be third party situation also. And Two of Wands is here. You are thinking about them a lot, which decision you have to make. You are thinking about past hurts also, but that's why you want to heal yourself. And again, this could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries, or states. And the person involved in this connection could be a lot of fire energy. Your person could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. So let's see your person current feelings and the near future actions towards you. Then we'll get more clarity what's going between you and your person. Queen of Wands. Your person is also very powerful and very attractive and grounded. So let's see your person current feelings. Cancer, your person current feelings towards you. Four of Wands, Seven of Cups, King of Swords. Under the deck, 5 of Pentacles. See, 2 times 5 of Pentacles. Maybe they're suffering in silence. They know they hurt you in past. Now they're feeling this loneliness without you. They're feeling lonely. Because 4 of Wands, they want this celebration with you. They want this happiness with you. And 7 of Cups. Maybe they're in confusion. Still, your person may be in some confusion. King of Swords. They want to communicate with you because King of Swords. They want to give clarity. And they also want clarity because 8 of Wands and 7 of Wands. They're thinking about you a lot. There is so much confusion and communication. They thinking about to communicate with you. They're missing you so much. Cancer. So let's see the near future actions towards you. Wow. 9 of Pentacles, Ace of Pentacles, 10 of Cups. Wow. And Justice under the deck. They want second chance. They want another chance. Yeah. They really want. Because 9 of Pentacles, maybe your person is already financially very stable person. And Ace of Pentacles, they want to offer long term. They want to marry you. They want to take this relationship to next level. After separation, maybe they're realizing you both. 10 of Cups. They want this happiness with you. They want this happy family with you. Cancer. And the person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So they want this 10 of Cups happiness with you and they really want to communicate. There is communication and they won't give up on you. And Justice, they want second chances. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Empress and 10 of Pentacles. King of Wands. They are very attracted to you and your person is also very powerful and attractive. And Empress. Maybe for some you have kids, mother. They see you as their Empress and 10 of Pentacles. Again, stability. I think they really want to take this relationship to next level, Cancer. If there is no third party, you have to trust this person because they really want to. If there is third party, then there is no question to give another chance. So it depends upon you, on your situation. Because trust is very important in any relationship. Yeah, again Justice, Page of Wands and the Moon. Yeah, maybe there are some trust issues between both of you. Something is mysterious in this connection. One person is hiding something from the other person. And the person involved in this connection could be Pisces also. So communication again. One person is younger than the other person in this connection. And Justice, second chances. They're coming back for second chances. Cancer, then it's up to you. Yeah. Queen of Pentacles. Maybe it could be you working on your career and goals, concentrating on your career, holding back your emotions. And 8 of Pentacles. So if they come back, they have to do a lot of work because 8 of Pentacles, I think they really want to do a lot of work. Yeah, they really want to invest because 8 of Pentacles is very slow but stable offer. So yeah, they're coming back. They won't give up on you. Communication is coming. They want second chances. Cancer. Then it's up to you. So let's see your overall energy for the week. Yeah, you stand by your power. You are very grounded. This love is mutual. You both could be soulmates. You are also heartbroken. And Knight of Cups. Yeah, they're coming back, but very slowly. Knight of Cups energy. So let's see your person overall energy. Queen of Cups. Maybe your person has strong emotions for you. 5 of Cups. They're missing you so much. And Queen of Cups. See again. They do love you. 8 of Cups. Separation and death or rebirth. Yeah, they want rebirth in this connection. They want second chances. Cancer. Then it's totally The ball is in your court. You have to make decision. That's why you are at some crossroads. You are indecisive what to do, what not to do. Trust your intuition and follow your intuition. Okay. So let's see some message from Moon Oracle deck for you. Believe in the impossible. So believe in the impossible. If you are doing any work but you are not seeing any result and you are doing very hard work consistently, then believe in the impossible. It is coming. Trust the universe. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you'll get all my video notification. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.